Today I'm excited to share 4 simple low-cost businesses that you can start as a mom. You can start right from the comfort of your home today, even if you don't have a big capital to start. Even if you have kids running around, limited time of the day. Trust me, I've been there, juggling the kids, the home front, and still wanting something that's truly mine, something that's mine. So let's dive right in today. One of the businesses you can start as a stay-at-home mom, or anybody, as even as a stay-at-home person, or somebody that wants a plan B. Freelance services. This can be writing, or you being a graphic designer, data entry, online services. First of all, freelance services is you having the skill like writing, or you're a graphic designer, or somebody that can manage social media platform, even a basic skill like being an admin person. You can start by offering such services online. You can offer such services like writing services. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, even Facebook pages. Yes, just let people know what you're doing. You don't need a fancy degree. All you need is a basic skill, good attitude, and the willingness to learn, the ability to learn more. Be teachable, be relatable. Another skill you can start from the comfort of your home without breaking the bank, without putting all or looking for who to borrow from, is selling physical products, reselling other people's products, or even can do a lot of stuff with your hand. A lot of people get agitated, oh, I can't sell anything, I don't love to sell. Everybody is selling something, so you know, we are selling something. We are selling services, we are selling friendship, we are selling everything. This could be as simple as selling items you made with your hand on Facebook, places, Jumia, Instagram, TikTok shop. You can start selling anything. Even if you don't have a product, you can sell other people's products. Being creative, you can even make jewelries, or you can even make candles, accessories, a lot of things you can just put together and put it out there. I have a lot of friends that do this online business, selling things here and there, different online platforms. All you need to do, put yourself out there. Don't be limited to the number of people you know. Set up your store and start selling. Another thing you can do from home is selling digital products. You can bring your skill, your idea, and turn it to an ebook. Let's say you know how to make food. You can even call it Eat Healthy, how to manage a household budget. Just package something, make it an ebook, make it printable, and people will go online to sell or buy. It's a repeat business. It's one-time creation, and you keep selling and selling. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just put your ideas together, put it on platforms like ST. A lot of platforms are there where you can sell your digital online product and people will buy. Idea number 4 is being a content creator. YouTube, blogging, TikTok, Instagram, just name it. A lot of people live on their phones. If you enjoy talking like me, you can bring your ideas, genuine ideas, be consistent, let people know what you represent. You can build a community by sharing your experience as a mom, making money through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links. It's a matter of time. When you start, you keep coming. It may not make sense, but just keep coming. Consistency. One day it's all going to make sense, because the world is moving. As a mom or as a person that needs extra income, you can just start these things. Before you know it, boom, you're on. So these are the 4 simple steps I'm bringing your way today. Freelance services, selling physical products or selling other people's products, digital products, content creation. Yes, your content, you don't need a huge capital. All you just need is a skill, little courage, and the belief that you deserve more or additional financial freedom. Even from your living room, you don't need to break the bank to do these things. Dear mom, you're already running a household. That is a full-time job on its own. So today I encourage you to turn your skill, your creativity into income. You can do it. I know you can do it. So don't stop. If this video inspires you, or if this video has inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more real life income, and drop a comment. Keep believing. Remember, your dream is valid. Even from the comfort of your home, your dream is valid. See you in the next video.